करणं एक अतिशय महत्त्वाचं होतं. ती प्रक्रिया आज पूर्ण झाली. आरोपी कसाबला सर्व न्यायिक सुविधा प्रत्येक टप्पा त्याला देण्यात आला. त्याला स्वतःचा बचाव करण्याची संधी देण्यात आली. त्याला ती पाहिजे ते वकील देण्याची सुविधा देखील करण्यात आली होती. मला वाटतं त्यातून एकच सिद्ध होतं की देशावर हल्ला करणाऱ्या ज्या दहशतवादी.
Right, so that's the Chief Minister of Maharashtra there giving out details of this. We're going to go back to that in just a bit, but let's now go across to Imtiaz, who's joining us from outside the Yerawada jail in Pune. Imtiaz, now we've of course managed to piece together just what's been happening, the way they got Kasab from Bombay to Pune. Nobody sort of got wind of it. Completely silent, in fact, till after the hanging this morning. Also details emerging of how Kasab was asked if he has a last wish and he had none. Anything more from behind those walled gates, those high gates of the Yerawada jail in Pune?
Well, Natasha, it seems a decision has been taken by the Maharashtra police that only the top few officers will be authorized to speak, and none of the officers from the Yerawada jail have been authorized to speak anything about this execution of Ajmal Kasab. And that is precisely the reason when the execution happened at 7:30, it was announced that the Maharashtra's Home Minister R.R. Patil will be making the announcement in Mumbai. He had a press conference and he issued a statement saying that Ajmal Kasab has indeed been hanged at Pune's Yerawada jail. But yes, lot of secrecy in the entire operation. A code name was given to this operation, from bringing Ajmal Kasab from the Arthur Road jail in Mumbai to Pune's Yerawada jail. Now this happened at a time when the entire media attention was on Bal Thackeray's funeral and the post-funeral of Balasaheb Thackeray in Mumbai. So none of the media people in Mumbai, neither in Pune, they could get any idea about this movement. And we are told that he was brought in tight security here at the Yerawada jail. He was kept here for almost 32 hours and he was informed a few days before only that he is being taken to Pune's Yerawada jail for him to be hanged. And in fact, as per the procedure, he was asked about his last wish and he said he had none. This is what we are hearing from our sources. But as far as the Yerawada jail is concerned, now we are seeing high security here, large number of policemen stationed outside Pune's Yerawada jail. The last execution, we are told here, had happened in 1998. As far as the high-profile executions or hanging that have been taken place in Pune's Yerawada jail, if you could remember General Vaidya, who was murdered by the two terrorists Sukha and Jinda. They were also hanged here at Pune's Yerawada jail. So after Sukha and Jinda, the next big terrorist that has been hanged is Ajmal Kasab at 7:30 in the morning. Now his mercy petition had come before the president. The Maharashtra government had appealed to the president not to accept that. In fact, they had rejected, the Maharashtra government had rejected when the Supreme Court itself had came down heavily on Ajmal Kasab, saying that this person deserves the rarest, deserves the severe most punishment because he had committed the rarest of rare crime. And during the course of the court trial that was going on, the Supreme Court had observed.
Imtiaz, I'm just so sorry. Imtiaz, just stay with me there. We just need to interrupt. Just let's hear from Mr. Chavan, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
उसके बाद कानून के अनुसार और राज्य का जेल मैनुअल के अनुसार आगे की कार्रवाई की गई. इसके बारे में जैसे बताया गया है कि 2 दिन पहले कसाब को मुंबई से पुणे ले जाया गया. आज सुबह समय पर 7:30 बजे जो तय हुआ था समय, जो एडिशनल सेशंस जज ने तारीख तय की थी, उसके अनुसार फांसी दी गई. सबको येरवड़ा जेल में ही दफनाया गया है. नियम के अनुसार उन्हें अपना मृत्यु पत्र, अपना विल बनाने की अनुमति होती है. तो उनको पूछा गया तो उन्होंने लिखित स्वरूप में इस तरह का कोई विल बनाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, इस तरह से लिख दिया. उनको जब समन्स था वो लिखित स्वरूप से दिया गया, उन्होंने लिखित स्वरूप में उसको स्वीकार. जैसे मैंने कहा कि इस घटना से ये सिद्ध होता है भारत में कानून का राज्य है और चाहे भारत का नागरिक हो चाहे भारत का नागरिक ना हो, अगर देश का कोई कानून तोड़ा गया है तो उसे सजा लेगी, चाहे कितना भी समय लगे, चाहे कितना खर्चा है। मैं समझता हूँ कि ये देश की न्याय व्यवस्था की परिपक्वता की पहचान है। और इसके साथ हम ये भी बताना चाहेंगे कि कोई भी हमला जो अपनी न्याय व्यवस्था पे भारत की सार्वभौमता पे कोई भी हमला अगर होगा तो उसको नहीं सहन किया जाए।
तो सर एक चीज़ कंफर्म थी कि कसाब पाकिस्तान का नागरिक है, ऐसे पाकिस्तान पर क्यों नहीं दबाव डालेंगे इंटरनेशनली कि वो एक्सेप्ट करे?
देखिए, दबाव डालने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। हमने कानून के मुताबिक पाकिस्तान के अथॉरिटीज़ को हमारे गृह मंत्रालय के माध्यम से, हमारे परराष्ट्र मंत्रालय के माध्यम से, हमारे हाई कमीशन के माध्यम से उसके परिवारजनों तक पहुंचने की हमने कोशिश की और उसमें जो भी हम कर सके अपनी किया।
क्या उसको
पुलिस ही
तो क्या उसको एरोरा जेल में दफनाया गया या फिर
मैंने बताया anything no, I can't do it everywhere. I don't cabinet meeting now. तिकटाय नाही गेलो, प्रत्येकाला असं नाही, प्रत्येकाला विचारलं तर असं नका करू. आता मी सगळ्यांना दिलेलं नाही, तर मग मला वेळ लागेल का तुम्ही सगळे सकाळपासून एकत्र